Dal Dal as a show is trying to reinvent the genre.
I thought Dal Dal expanded my boundaries, but this interview has expanded it even more. So thank you.
I had like chits in my pocket.
I really enjoyed working with my brother, Vaibhav, and all the actors.
Thanks, Amrit.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Thanks,
man.
Hello everyone, I am Shambhavi Tiwari from Instant Bollywood, and today we've got with us the cast of Dal Dal. I would like to congratulate you in advance for the release on January 30th.
Thank you.
And when I saw the trailer, my first thought was, wow, it is very psychologically disturbing, unsettling. The cinematography is incredible. And the song Gumnaam Hai Koi in the background, it really adds to the eeriness. That's really perfect. What would you like to say about that?
I think everything that you've said, right? Like the trailer.
We felt the same when we...
Yeah, we were very excited, in fact, when we saw the trailer. And I feel the choice of their song really hit it out of the park. And the trailer truly in every way is just the tip of the iceberg. You know, Dal Dal is a very complex, complicated, psychological crime drama. And it really keeps you very invested in the characters because you've not seen characters like so on celluloid. And it's just packed with incredible performances, incredible writing, nuanced craft where like the making is concerned, and everybody is just, yeah, I think there's a lot of effort that's gone into it.
I think even the name, Dal Dal in itself, it means something where you're stuck in a situation you cannot get out of. I want to ask you, how does that play along your character arc in the series? All of you.
I mean, even if it wasn't the title, if I had to describe the predicament my character is in, I would say ki Dal Dal mein phasa hu.
I think
So yeah, you know, I mean, all the obstacles that he faces, including not least his addiction, it is physically, I mean, mentally, it is like a Dal Dal. You know, you keep going deeper and deeper. The more you try to sort of get out of it, more you're thinking about it, the deeper you're falling in without realizing. So yeah, I think that's perfectly put.
yeah.
Bhumi, you've played cop for the first time. So I would like to ask you, what compelled you more? The chance to play a new character or the story?
I think it's a bit of both. As actors, you're constantly seeking opportunities to do something new, to do something different. But doing something that you've not done in a story that doesn't really contribute to your idea of what, you know, could be breaking stereotypes in your own life just doesn't make sense. So for me, I think it was the story in totality and the fact that Dal Dal as a show is trying to reinvent the genre. You know, it is not a whodunit, it's a whydunit. And as I said earlier, it is all about these characters. You are with these three characters and they are volatile, they're unpredictable. And as the audience, you kind of know where the story goes, but yet you want to know how it happens. Yeah. And that's what's really cool about Dal Dal.
That's wonderful. Amrit sir, you've worked with Operation MBBS, TVF Bachelors, and Good Luck, and these are very light-hearted, warm in nature as opposed to Dal Dal. So, what was your inspiration when you went along the journey of this project?
I think I'm a fan of crime dramas, so that's the genre I really like. And I think when I heard the story, when Suresh sir narrated me the story, I was instantly drawn. And also because crime dramas बहुत हो चुके हैं देश में, तो एक ये भी चैलेंज था कि यार इसको हम लोग कैसे अलग करेंगे. तो वो एक चैलेंज थोड़ा सा बहुत अच्छा था, अट्रैक्टिव था वो चैलेंज कि शो को अलग कैसे किया जाए. बॉम्बे में सेट है, रेंज में है. ऑल्सो ये शो जिस तरह की शो की राइटिंग होती है वो ट्रोप्स भी फॉलो करता है, बट उसी के साथ साथ ये बहुत नए तरह की राइटिंग भी है इस शो में. तो वो मेरे लिए बहुत इंस्पायरिंग था एंड आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ फन डूइंग इट.
I can't wait to watch it. Suresh sir, you worked on Jalsa, and that's again a movie that keeps you on your toes. So has that kind of vision trickled down onto your storytelling for this Dal Dal?
I think, human, what do you call it, the dilemmas, like that one was about ethical dilemma, which one, the Jalsa. It's always it's a no-brainer when you get a plot which is an ethical drama. Now, this is delving into another side, which is the origin of violence. Okay, so that is something which has always excited me, and I like plots which are thicker, characters that are nuanced. So I think that I naturally get drifted towards that side. And yeah, the challenge is that how can you sustain the entire drama? That becomes even in Jalsa, the same thing. Like first 10 minutes in Jalsa, you knew who the killer was.
Samara, you have done your psychology degree
Yeah.
from Sophia College, bachelor's. Is that something that influenced your choice for auditioning in Dal Dal?
I mean, I don't think I have a choice in what I have to audition for. I've liked to audition for everything. It's not like I choose, but I'm very, very happy that I got the opportunity to audition for this. I would like to thank Mukesh sir for that. I'm very, very happy because it did. I mean, I am drawn to stories like this. I am invested in, like Sir said, that you're trying to find out the origin of the violence. And that is, like you mentioned, psychology. That is what you're doing. You're trying to go to the root of a certain emotion, of a certain feeling, of a certain trauma that you're trying to cope or you're trying to deal with. And I think all three of us as characters are going through that in this show, which you will find out when you watch it. So yes, I would say psychology has, I mean, it's influenced a lot of my life.
You also played national level football.
Yes.
And I did not know that.
We have one more here who still plays. I mean, he still plays. And
That's cool.
but yes, I did.
Like national level football, and you still decided to join the industry. There's some time that you pick, like you dropped your sports. Did you drop it?
That was a
no,
goal.
I still have a love for the sport for sure. But I did stop playing when I played when I was in boarding school. When I was in Mayo. And I mean, I was obsessed with the sport. And once I came back, I started working very early on. I started working at 17. So I was on IFA, I became an assistant director, and I started auditioning. So I think I got very, very involved with that. And I had a degree to complete. So I was also studying while I was doing this. So I think I just kind of dropped it. I still play for fun, but it's no longer.
Your father, Deepak sir,
Yes.
is renowned in the industry. So did he have like a hand in like influencing you to just join the industry?
Not at all, actually. Not even a little bit. He used to wonder why. I mean, I decided to act very later on in life. He told me at 4. He said, "You're going to act." And I said, "No, I want to do this." And when I turned 18 was when I went to him. I said, "I think so." He laughed at me. He said, "I told you this at 4. You want to study, get a degree." I said, "Of course."
I think it comes from that attitude that you think that you've got the legacy of your parents, so you want to do something different.
Yeah, I mean, I think I was a nerd, honestly. I was a nerd. I really, really wanted my grades. And
That explains psychology.
that a lot. So, sweet. Anyway, I was full nerd. It's like, when I was in AD, I had like chits in my pocket on Dishoom. Like, I used to knock on like Varun Dhawan's vanity and John's vanity, and I used to, because I had my boards happening, my exams, my last year of college. I used to knock on my van and be like, "Hey, ready?" And I had like my exam starting in 3 days, pull out chits. I used to read. I was very much a nerd. So,
And that's a really cute story.
yeah.
Aditya, you are an actor and a writer. What do you enjoy more? Traditional theatre or cinema, commercial cinema?
It's a very lame answer, but I really enjoy stories and I enjoy storytelling. So that means I think the story determines the medium that it should be told in. So if it is something that is, if it is 3 soldiers stuck on a mountain waiting for a rescue, that can happen on a stage. One would be a fool to put 70 crores to fund a film like that, right? I mean, maybe.
You should watch.
But anyway, so then I feel like the story determines the medium, and also the story determines the part I play in that story. So if it's a fantastic story about 2 women that might be going on a journey, I think that's something I would like to write. As much as I would like to act in it, I don't think I can. right? You know what I'm saying. So, I mean, yeah, unless I'm playing one of the two women, so no.
Everyone's crediting you. आपका भेस बहुत अच्छे से बदल जाता है. तो
अरे maybe, yeah, we शायद, thank you.
You can try.
I thought Daldal expanded my boundaries, but this interview has expanded it even more. So thank you, thank you, Shambhus. But yeah, no. So I look, I enjoy both. I think after a month or 2 months spent on set, especially on a set like ours in the rain outside with 100 people, getting like sort of made up and then getting beaten up a lot. Thank you. One wants nothing more than to be able to spend a month waking up in your bedroom, पायजामे में जाके 5 कदम चलो, डेस्क पे जाके अपनी दुनिया बनाओ काल्पनिक एकदम, टाइम पे खाना खाओ, टाइम पे चाय पी लो. I think there are great joys in that also. And then after a month of that, you want nothing more than to jump onto a set again. So I think both can coexist and it's very healthy, I think,
ठीक है,
mentally.
मैं आपको नहीं चूज करवा रही हूँ. इसके बाद भी अरे मैंने इतना
I am so sorry.
पानीपत और मैं उसका दलदल का एग्जाम दे नहीं, you don't put me in that
I am
sense.
so sorry. I am so sorry. ये जो सारे मुझसे पक गए, आप नहीं पक गए. Too cool.
Aditya and Samara, someone that you aspire to share the screen with.
Samadhara?
You want to you
You aspire to share
share
the
the
screen with Alia Bhatt.
Okay. Bhumi, one character you've always wanted to play. Like you joined a cop.
Oh, like a character? Sorry, a character I want to play a freedom fighter.
You would ace it.
I think so too.
She would ace anything, yeah.
True that. Amrit sir, an artist you enjoyed working with.
Enjoyed.
Yes, over your past works.
I really enjoyed working with my brother, Vaibhav, and all the actors in
Thanks, Amrit.
Yeah, oh, yeah, right. Yeah. Thanks, man. That bronze medal.
I swear.
That bronze medal is feeling really good right now.
Thanks, it feels really nice.
Suresh sir, one word to describe Dadal.
Engaging.
One trait from your character that you secretly are glad you don't have in your life. All of
One
What trait?
so many trait from my character that I wish I never have is that she's so lonely.
Okay, you won't be lonely.
I hope. I hope I never am there.
What about you?
I hope I'm never that impulsive.
He latches on to what he thinks is the ray of sunshine in his life, which is not.
On that note, I'd like to thank you for watching Instant Bollywood, and I wish Daldal all the best. It's gonna be great, as you've seen, and for all your future projects.
Thank
Thank you.
you.